Teamwork flows best when everything you need is right at your fingertips. By signing into Surface Hub 2S, you can instantly access your files and the meetings that you need.
To get started, tap Sign In on the welcome screen. If you've scheduled a meeting and invited the Surface Hub, you'll notice it suggests your account. If you haven't booked in advance, don't worry, just type in your work account information.
To authenticate, you can use your password, or if your organization has configured it, you can use your mobile phone for a quick and secure experience. In this case, you'll be prompted to send a notification, which will then be received by the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. The Surface Hub will then display a number. Just select that same number on your phone to complete sign-in. Depending on your mobile device and your company's policies, you may be asked to enter your phone's PIN, use facial recognition, or your fingerprint as well.
Now that you're signed in, you can see the meeting carousel filled with your current and upcoming meetings. This means you can join a Microsoft Teams meeting and be able to use Surface Hub's best-in-class video conferencing, collaborative ink, and touch for any meeting, whether you have invited the Surface Hub or not.
Below your meetings, you'll see a list of documents that you've recently opened from your work OneDrive. Simply tap on a document to open it. As you're already signed in to the Surface Hub, all your documents open seamlessly, so you can quickly continue just where you left off.
You're also signed into Microsoft Edge, so you can access your company's internal sites and tools. As an example, if you navigate to office.com, you'll see your Office 365 portal without being asked to re-enter your password.
One of the most useful tools on Surface Hub 2S is the Microsoft Whiteboard. This becomes even more powerful once you sign in. Simply tap the Sign In button and either continue as yourself or use a different account if a colleague wants to pull up one of their whiteboards.
The whiteboards you create with your colleagues are automatically saved to your account to resume later. By pressing the back button in the top left of the Whiteboard app, you can view all your whiteboards, including ones shared by others.
When you're finished using the Surface Hub, always remember to press the End Session button. This will securely clear all of your credentials and leftover files so that it's ready for the next group to use.